And as a parent, what has been your contribution in our success?
First of all, I'd like to thank Anand sir and DPS sir for all that they have done to my daughter. One quality that I have admired in Anand sir is he maintains the same complexity level no matter the student is in a 9th standard or 12th standard. It was difficult for me to accept this in the beginning. That is when my daughter was in 9th standard. But I tried to clarify this with him. But I was told by him that students will get used to it and you do not have to worry. But I didn't accept it. But now I come to understand that what he has told is 100% true. If my aim is say to reach 100 feet high, there's no use in me aiming 50 feet high for first 2 years and then aiming for 100 feet in the next 2 years. There's no point and it result in a waste of energy and time. So that way hats off to us teaching meteorology. And about DPS, I'm really astonished how one could be so serious, strict about timings in a non-school environment, which we as professors fail to do in our college level. And it's highly impossible to check a student in a matter of 3 hours. How could one check whether the student has revised the previous classes and teaching today's topic, as well as ensure that whether he is ahead of the class, which he used to do always. You used to include, my daughter used to say that. And I'm totally, there's no words to describe your teaching skills, and I bow my head to you, sir. And about my contribution to daughter, not much since I have entrusted her to a good institute. Other than decision making at 2 crucial stages, I would say. One towards the end of her 8th standard, where she was getting contented with the first rank in the class and regarded herself as a great achiever. I thought I should do something for her, and I was on the lookout of a good institute in Chennai at that time. Almost I visited every institute. They were ready to give answer for all the questions except one, that was about the success rate. One institute, they told me, you come in person, then we'll tell the success rate. And one institute was established centers all over India. They told we can give a figure for India, but not with respect to Chennai or Tamil Nadu. But I thought that information would not be of no use, since our curriculum, our school pattern differs widely from students at North. They do not pay attention to the board exams, but we have equal pressure on the board also. Then the last, I knocked the door at SMART, and my question was answered readily by Anand sir. He gave an exact count of, say, if I remember right, 32 students out of 70 that time, in the year 2007, if I remember right. And I was impressed at that answer, and same answer was given by Harni madam and GK sir. Unique answer I could get from the entire family, and was impressed, and everything went on fine from there. Second stage, we had to make a decision when she finished her 10th standard, whether to sail in same stream or to change the stream to CBSE. And we didn't want to give it overconfident, and we decided to sail in metric stream itself. And CBSE, DAV metric as a school which is run for 11th and 12th standard and no other lower classes, if you know it. And it is because of the teachers' dedication and meticulous planning by the principal, Mrs. Rama Subramaniam. They could finish the portions by August and started conducting tests. Students were called for the test only. They were called only for the test twice or thrice in a week. And that was the reason how he could perform well from 11th standard to, I was frequently asked by many people, how could she do so well in 12th? Since time factor was the bottleneck in 11th standard, which she could overcome because she was on DAVian. So we have no regrets having shifted to school like a DAV. And my daughter, she doesn't move with all the students, and I tried to overcome her difficulties then and there by establishing contacts with the other students of SMART and frequently talking with DPS sir.